welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to test a lot of new makeup. So we are going to achieve this look. I have bought the Soft Glam Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow palette. This is actually old, but I haven't used it before, so this is the first time. And also received a brush set from Morphe. I ordered it on Black Friday, so it took a long time until it actually arrived. And we have Huda Beauty lipstick, some Wish lashes, and yeah, a lot of things we are going to play with. So are you interested in seeing that? Keep on watching. I have filmed this video 3 times maybe. Every time I have started to edit the video, it has been terrible, everything about the sound and light, so I made some changes in here and now I hope this will be good. So I can't actually use the products I used in the other videos because it won't be a first impression anymore because I've already used them. So we have some new products. More new products I'm going to test. Some products I already tested in the videos that didn't go so well filming, so we use them again. It will be the second first impression. Can you say that? Maybe? As always, we start with the primer, and today we're using the Ordinary High Adherence Silicone Primer. We just take a dot of that. And it's crazy, it's Christmas in 3 days. I have to clean my house today because the whole family are coming to me this year for the first time because I own a house now, so much cozier to celebrate Christmas or celebrate Christmas in a house than in an apartment. So that will be crazy. I have some pressure on me to clean. We start with eyebrows, and I'm going to use precisely my brow pencil from Benefit in the shade 2.5. I love this pen. It's so easy to draw with. And also I ordered new backdrops. Because this pink I don't like it at all. So I received a gray backdrop. It's actually behind this, but it was so wrinkled I couldn't upload that video. It looked terrible, so change backdrop, do the video again. Yeah. Have you bought all the Christmas presents yet? I haven't. Always late, and I always do everything in the last second. I find it so hard to buy presents for boys. They usually just want these so expensive things like I want a new computer or Xbox or PlayStation or a new phone. Girls are much easier. I want a candle or mascara, a soap, or anything. And boys like, I want this thing for $500. That's the only thing I want for Christmas. Okay, I'm not going to buy anything for you then. Is that okay? Is it fine? I hope so, because I'm poor as fuck. No, not really. But after this Christmas I will be poor as fuck. So let's fill them in with some lasting eyebrow gel from Kiko Milano. And we just take our regular angled eyebrow brush. This is from the Color Workshop. First time using it. This is thin and this is thick. Thick as fuck. Well, let's clean them up with some concealer. I don't think you are supposed to use this for concealer, but I will do it anyway. So I take my MAC Studio Finish Concealer NC15. Oh, so hard. This brush sucked. That will do for now. I don't want to do my eyebrows for 5 fucking hours. Also, I have an announcement. I will make a mini-series. I will do it, the first video today actually. After this, every beauty guru or beauty YouTuber or every channel around beauty overall used to do reviews or tutorials on specific looks, but they don't actually teach the simple things in depth. I've have looked for how do you clean your brushes or how do you clean your eyelashes, and there are not many videos on that. So I thought that I would do my own mini-series where I teach you my way of doing things or how I feel like you should do, not how you, I don't saying how you should do your makeup, but I will teach my way. That will be up really soon. I just take some eyebrow gel because these eyebrows are wild as fuck. And this is from NYX, I think. Yeah. And I usually take this as a last step, but now I had to. So I just apply some concealer from ColourPop as a canvas on my lids, and then I will put on some regular tape like that, and then we will go into the eyeshadow. So this is the palette. I swatched some of the shade and I think I know what to do. So you always get a brush in these. I have some from before, don't really use them, but good to have if you don't have brushes already. We work with our Morphe brush set, so we start with the brush M330. So it's a buffing or a blending buffing brush, and the shade Dusty Rose. And this will be our transition color. Anastasia palettes always perform very well. So we take this smaller white blending brush M433 and the shade Rustic, just a warm brown, to darken this up. We take the brush we got in the palette and take the smallest side and the black shade Nor, and just in the outer corner. And then we go back to the blending brush, any of them, and blend. So I applied some glitter on this eye, but first I cut the crease, so we're going to do the same on the other eye. So we take this M167 and again my MAC Studio Finish Concealer in NC15, and then we just cut the crease. So then we take the shade Bronze on a flat packing brush, and we do not use Fix Plus or any other setting spray because we don't need to with this. It's so pigmented. Then we just go back with the brush from palette and blend the edges so they blend nicely into each other. Then we go back with this smaller shading brush and take some of that black. Just go back and forth till I'm happy with the darkness, the shading, the transition. And when I feel like I'm almost done, I take an eyeliner. This is NYX Epic Ink Liner, and just line the lid, not wing, because we're going to put on some lashes and we want to line where they are going to sit. Like that. We are going to take some lashes from Wish. I already cut these and measured them, and I have used a pair before, but these are new. So we are going to apply these with our duo lash glue. And while that dries, we will apply mascara, and we will use the Bad Gal Bang mascara from Benefit. And I just take off this tape. Just be careful that you don't fuck up that line, because you want that. Now we can apply the lash. For foundation, we are going to use the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation in the shade Soft Ivory, and it's also cruelty free, so that's good to know. So that's not full coverage, but we'll apply concealer as well. So we use the Colourpop No Filter Concealer as I used before in the shade Fair 4. I rather take too much concealer than too much foundation. So that looks a lot better. I feel alive. So we take my Kat Von D translucent setting powder and set this face. While that's baking, we take my Contour Light to Medium kit from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I usually take this in the middle, and sometimes I can take one of the darker ones, but I always start with that middle shade. Then we take my Realer Ultimate Glow Getter Chic Trio, and we have a bronzer in this we're going to use, Incredible. And we're also going to use the blush and the highlighter. So we start with Incredible, that's the bronzer. Then we take another brush for the blush. And now I feel a little over blush, so we take that sponge again with some powder and just blend where I feel like I over applied. I just take a regular eyeshadow brush with that highlighter. And then we want again apply some brow setter, because now I have powder all in my brows, so just take some more of that. So now when my lashes has dried, the lash glues, we go in with the same liner as before and line over the lash glue, because it shows up a bit if you don't. And of course we want some of that mascara on our lower lashes as well. Of course we want a lipstick, so we're going to take the Girl Strip Matte Lipstick from Huda Beauty. We finish with some matte finish setting spray from NYX. Really good, I love it. So we spray some of this. That's the final look, and I'm sorry if the sound and the light is terrible again, but I'm going to put this up anyway because I can't do this one more time. Well, that's everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and of course if you want notifications every time I upload a new video, you can click the bell. And I see you in the next video. Bye!